Technomaths. Today we will be solving one question where we need to arrange the given numbers in descending order. So one of the number is 4th root of 6, okay, and the another number is square root of 2, and the third number is cubic root of 4, right? How to arrange these numbers in ascending order, that we need to identify, right? So what we will be doing, let us see. Okay, let me zoom a little. So we need to arrange these numbers in descending order. Need to arrange in descending order. So what's that order that need to be found, right? So students, what we can do, that these numbers can be written as, first number is 4th root of 6. That means it means 6 power 1 by 4, isn't it? Right? And the second number is square root of 2. So that can be written as 2 power 1 by 2, isn't it? Right? And the third number is cubic root of 4. So that can be written as 4 power 1 by 3. Right? So now you observe all these numbers. Are you able to arrange this in descending order immediately? If not, I will say you how to solve and show you the trick, right? What you will do, just take these exponents 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, right? All these are exponents, right, of these three numbers 6, 2 and 4. So what you can do, just take the LCM of all these three exponents 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So just use those denominators, just you need to convert them into like fraction, right? So take LCM of 4, 2 and 3. Why we have taken these numbers? Because these numbers are the denominator of the exponents of these three different numbers 6, 2 and 4. When we take the LCM, it will be 2, 2, 4, 2 and 2 and 3. Then we can directly say 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. So that is coming as 12. So to convert into like fraction, what we can do, that 6 1 by 4, 6 power 1 by 4 to be converted into like fraction, and to bring this 4 into 12 multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator, right? Similarly, for 2 power 1 by 2, you need to multiply with 6 in numerator and denominator, because we have to convert these exponents into like fraction, right? Now go to the third number 4 power 1 by 3. So 4 power 1 by 3 here can be multiplied, this exponent can be multiplied with 4, so that 4 into 3 will be 12, right? So these numbers can be written as 6 power 3 by 12, 2 power 6 by 12 and 4 power 4 by 12, right? So these are the three numbers with you. Now in this stage, are you able to identify and arrange these numbers in descending order? No, still not. Then what we will do? Do one thing. We can write 6 3 by 12 as 6 3 into 1 by 12, right? 2 6 by 12 can be written as 2 6 into 1 by 12, and 4 power 4 by 12 can be written as 4 into 1 by 12. Now just take this into one bracket, these terms, okay, and leave the root part outside this bracket, the 12th root, right? Then 6 into 6 into 6. Can anybody tell me what is the answer of 6 into 6 into 6? 6 6 36, right? 6 6 36, and 36 into 3 3 6 18, right? So let me solve it. 6 6 36 into 6 6 is 36, 6 36, 6 6 36, carry 3 6 18, 216. So this can be written as 216, right? Power 1 by 2, 1 by 12, right? This second number can be written as 2 power 5 will be 32, 32 into 2, 64, 64 power 1 by 12, right? And the third number can be written as 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. That is 4 into 4 is 16, right? 4 into 4 is 16, and 16, 16 into 16. So what's that? 16 into 16. Let us solve it. 16 into 16 is 36, 96, 6, 1. So it's 256. So it can be written as 256 power 1 by 12, right? So in these three numbers, I think it's easy to diagnose which one is greater, and you can arrange it in descending order, right? So here what we did, we just make the exponents into like fraction. Over here you can see, okay, after making these fractions like, we convert the number and bringing 12th root outside this bracket is 6 power 3. So this is coming as 216, right? And this is coming as 64 because 2 power 6, and this is coming as 4 power 4. Now out of this you can easily identify the bigger number is the greatest. So this is the greatest number, okay? So this one is the greatest number. That means 256 power 1 by 2 is the greatest, right? It's greatest. And which one is the smallest? You can see 64 is the smallest, right? Now what we can, are you able to arrange it into descending order? Yes, why not? The greatest will become on top, that is 256 power 1 by 12. That means this one is cubic root of 4. So cubic root of 4 will be the greatest number, and this is greater than which one? The second number, this one, right? 216 power 1 by 12. So what's this? This is 4th root of 6, right? Then it can be written as 4th root of 6, right? And at last in the descending order series, with the smallest number will come, and the smallest number is 64 power 1 by 12. And this belongs to what? This a square root of 2, right? So a square root of 2 will be on the last, right? So in this way you can see this is the order of descending. This is the descending order, and we have solved this question, and all such questions can be solved very easily by converting these exponents into like fraction, and after converting it into like fraction, you can see these numbers can be arranged very easily into the ascending or descending order. Hi Ayub, good evening dear. शॉर्टकट बताएं. Okay, Muhammad, the shortcut is very easy. Actually, I've explained this into a single page, okay, but it will not take that much of time. In 2 lines, you can solve it, okay. Whenever you are having these exponents with you, you can directly see 4, 2, and 3. When you are doing lot of practice, you can easily calculate the LCM of 4, 2, and 3 in your mind. And if it's 12, then directly you should multiply 3 in the numerator and denominator, 6 into the numerator and denominator, and 4 into numerator and denominator of all these 3 terms, right? This will just speed up, and in only 1 line you will be able to solve it, okay. And in the second line, just the only thing we need to know, the 6 power 3, what is the number? 216. 2 power 6, what is the number? 64. 4 power 4, what is the number? 256. When you come to this into the second step, then you can easily arrange them into the descending order, because you are knowing that 256 is always greater than 216 and 64, right? And when you take the 1 by 12th root, that is the 12th root of whatever the number, definitely the 12th root is taken for all these three, right? So it's easily confirmed that this number is the greatest one, right? So we can see this number is the greatest one, right? So if this is the greatest one, this will come on the first in the descending order series. And this number belongs to what? This number belongs to cubic root of 4, right? That's why cubic root of 4 is on the first. After that, 4th root of 6. Why? Because this number is 216 power 1 by 12, right? And this belongs to 4th root of 6, right? So 4th root of 6 is coming into the second place, and you can see the smallest one is 64 power 1 by 12. 64 power 1 by 12 belongs to what? It belongs to root 2. You can see this, the same sequence have been taken, so that's why it is coming at the last. And in this way we can arrange it into descending order, right? I think you like this solution, and it's very easy since I have explained it, Muhammad, in a very elaborated way. That's why you find it lengthy, but don't think it will be very easy. In only 2 line you will be able to solve it, okay, in your examinations. Yeah, I hope you like the solution. If you find it useful, you can like it. Thank you so much, students. I will come up with the next session in some time. Thank you so much for watching. Just like if you find it useful. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. See you.